Hello my friends, I'm Majid Sai, and now we have another bangle. It's a different bangle, and we teaching drawing this bangle in this lesson. We draw the shape and the curve and the surface of this bangle, and for better teaching and shorter teaching, for because I want to have a shorter teaching video. In the past I draw this bangle and just teaching you how to drawing some of curves and shape, and then follow along the surface or smash the ellipse of bangle, surface of bangle, smash it, and then drawing the curves and surfaces, and then follow along this smash surface to the mother surface of bangle. Okay, now we have this. Yes, we have the drawing this bangle and a plan in the past. Go to the surface object and we smash it the surface of bangle, and then project the pattern. In the past I draw that. Yes, I project this pattern on a smashed surface of bangle. Yeah, go to the curves and then project. Okay, we project the curves or patterns, and then we follow along the surface these project and pattern to the our surface on a smashed surface. Okay, smashed mother surface. Okay, we follow again to a better do. Okay, we remember this smashed surface can be, must be, and this smashed surface in the past must be shrink and then smash. Okay, and then project the curves and follow along the surface to the base surface and a mother bangle surface. Okay, we are do it, or I'm do it, and you are do it in a how. Okay, the other surface we shrink it, then smash it, then project the curve or pattern on this smashed surface, and then select the pattern, select the projected pattern and surface, and follow along the surface to the our base surface. We'll do it again. We'll do it for all blue surfaces, because we want to project all pattern to the all of the blue surface. Then we finish this work. We want to draw a flower pattern, and one or two we draw one or two flower shape, and flow along these blue surfaces. Now you watching how I smash it and then projecting the pattern on the smash surface, and then flow along the surface back to the base surface, and then we finish this smash projecting and flowing, and not actually end in a and we flow along this flow along mother bangle surface to the mother surface, to the mother green surface, and in the end we have a beautiful bangle, beautiful and different bangle. Okay, we flow along the surface all of this shape of bangle to the mother surface of bangle. Yes, we have this bangle, very nice. Okay, and we follow these curves on the mother surface, and we're piping these curves, and in a 0.3 millimeter diameter, and we are drawing the flower look like this blue flower. Okay, we smashed the surface, red surface, and then drawing the flower, and we projecting the flower on a surface, and then we create the surface for this flower fitting to our red surface, and then follow along this red surface to the base surface of the bangle, and then flow along the surface. Okay, and then we have it. Yes, we have the flower and a blue surface, yeah, behind these red pipes. Yeah, and we have a flower surface and then offsetting. Okay, 0.3 millimeter offsetting the surface in a solid shape, and we can draw the wall for the border of the bangle for the better view, and because we want to have a harder structure. Thanks for watching.